Hello everyone, it's me again and welcome to Lutong Sari Sari TV. Kumusta na po kayo? I hope everyone's life is becoming better and better each day. Today mga kalutong Sari Sari TV, I will share with you how to cook pork chop with the steamed bok choy rice. Easy lang po ito na recipe at sinimplihan ko po para makasave po tayo ng time and energy with great taste result. Ang bok choy po ay isang Chinese white cabbage na mula sa cabbage family. It has a round tender white bulb on the bottom with long celery-looking stalks and dark leafy greens on top. Ito rin ay isang gulay na edible and can be enjoyed either raw or cooked. Along with being crunchy and delicious, bok choy vegetable is full of fiber, vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients. Like other dark leafy greens, it's full of antioxidants and other compounds that help to promote a better health. Bok choy should be rinsed and drained well, roughly chopped into pieces, and separate leaves and white stems apart. For the ingredients and for the detailed instruction of this dish, feel free to check on the description box of this video. When everything is ready, heat oil in a wok or pan. Shoot ginger slices over medium-high heat. First thing to do, add white stems of bok choy as they need more time to be softened. Stir fry stems for a while until soften a bit, then followed by leaves. Sprinkle salt to taste and combine well. Add sesame oil to taste. When the bok choy is cooked, drain well and remove excess water on it. This is to avoid rice to be too soggy. Rinse rice and cook in a rice cooker, just like the way you used to cook rice. Then add 1 cup of chicken stock instead of water into the rinsed, drained rice, then cook until done. Cooking bok choy vegetable with rice was originated from Shanghai na naging kaugalian na din kainin at lutuin ng mga tao dito po sa Hong Kong. Toss bok choy and stir with the cooked rice. Sprinkle salt to your taste and remember to taste it by yourself until you're satisfied. Cover and set aside. Pork chop should be rinsed well and wiped dry with kitchen towels. Mix with marinade and sit it for 20 minutes. Pork is a common meat choice for stir fries, so it's not surprising at all that it pairs so well with bok choy. A simple stir fry of pork slices and bok choy could be a good main dish. Kung maging maganda ang texture, soft and tender yung ating pork chop, I used 1 brown egg, 5 to 6 tablespoons of bread flour, and 3 to 4 tablespoons of cornstarch for coating the pork ribs after frying. Heat oil in a fry pan and cook pork chops until both sides are lightly browned and cooked through. When it comes to cooking this dish, the pork chops has to be deep fried. This pork chops with bok choy rice is a famous Shanghai cuisine, suitable for home cooking as well. Saute garlic and shallot in the same fry pan. Toast back pork chops, sprinkle fish sauce, and quickly combine well. Dish up, and optional po, you can garnish it with red chilies and serve it with hot vegetable rice. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Hope you found it helpful and may you learn something new. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video.